Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to get started with IONOS hosting. We'll get you a domain, set up your hosting, free SSL, daily backups, and DDoS protection. 30-day money-back guarantee, completely risk-free. To get the best deal on IONOS, click the link in the description below. The promotional pricing applies automatically. No codes needed. Once you click that link, you'll land on the IONOS page. Now, let's look at your options. Scroll down, and you'll see 4 hosting plans. The essential plan is $4 per month for the first year. Perfect if you're building just one website. The starter plan is $6 per month for the first year. You get 10 websites. The Plus plan, and this is the best-selling option, is just $1 per month for the first year. That's only $12 total for the entire year. You get unlimited websites, and the Ultimate plan is $10 per month for the first year with peak performance for high traffic or e-commerce sites. Let's go with the Plus plan. Scroll back to the top and click Get Started. Now let's add your domain. Type in the domain name you want, like yourbusinessname.com. Click Search. If it's available, you'll see it's free for the first year. That's normally a $20 value. Click Add to Cart. Domain Guard will be added automatically. It protects your personal information and prevents unauthorized domain transfers. You can toggle it off if you want, but I'd keep it for security. Click Continue. You'll see optional add-ons. You can skip these for now. Click Continue. Review your cart. Review everything, then click Continue. Enter your billing information, name, address, contact details. Click Continue. Review once more, then continue to payment options. Select your payment method, enter your payment info, click Buy Now, and you're done. You've got IONOS, hosting with unlimited websites and a free domain. Check your email for your login details and next steps. Your control panel is being set up. When ready, click Get Started and install WordPress with one click. Here's what to know. You have 30 days to try it risk-free. Not happy? Full refund. Click my link in the description. Pick Plus, add your domain. Checkout. 30-day guarantee, 0 risk. Your website starts today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.